So you're new on YouTube and you're going through your channel, but it's just crickets. Nothing is going on. Everywhere seems to be empty. Don't worry, we've all been there and I understand what it feels like. That's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your first 100 subscribers so you can get your YouTube channel going. Hello beautiful people and welcome. My name is Oge and thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, do subscribe, and if you are returning, I really appreciate you coming back again to this channel. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when new video drops. So now let's get back to the video. Your first 100 subscribers can be like the most difficult subscribers to get, at least for mere mortals like us. There are some people that start their YouTube channel today and the next day they're already like 50k subs already. Those people are not normal. They're not like me and you. They're not mere mortals. These people are like, they're like extraordinary people. Yes, there are a lot of exceptions. So many people start their YouTube channel and it just picks up immediately. However, majority of us, in fact 99.9% of us, have to struggle to grow our channel little by little by little by little until we get to where we hope to get to in our YouTube journey. So our first 100 subscribers, before we're even ready to start getting subscribers, we need to make sure that our YouTube channel is properly set up. Think of it like a shop, like a storefront. If you're going to open a store or a shop or a physical business, you're going to make sure that you have done a few things like clean up the place, paint, put some decor, and set up your product in such a way that when customers do come around, they are much more inclined to buy. They're attracted even from the front of your store to come in and actually buy. So we are doing the same thing for our YouTube channel. We're going to make sure that the channel is well set up such that when visitors do come to your YouTube channel, which in this sense now is your storefront, they are much more inclined to buy, which in this case is to subscribe. So you want to set up your channel banner. Your channel banner in this case now is like your billboard. So that when people come to your channel, they can see exactly what your channel is about. This is what we do here, guys. This is what you're going to be expecting to get. So make sure that your channel banner is up and is clear. Now you want to set up every other thing. Set up your channel icon. So your channel icon will be a picture that you're putting up. It could be your personal picture, that's your face, or it could be an icon, your logo, or whatever it is that you want to put as your channel icon. Make sure it is up and it is clear. The next thing you want to make sure you do is set up your about page, everything about your channel. Let people have a general idea what the channel is about, like a welcome note. You know, when someone goes there, the person is welcome. You can tell the person, this is what we do here, that, even though the person has already gotten a general idea of what the channel is. But just in case they go there, let them have something nice to read, okay? Now, the next thing is to make sure if you already have videos on your channel. If you don't have videos already, this doesn't apply to you. But if you already have videos on your channel, then you want to set up your videos in such a way that when people come, they can see the different categories of your video. So if you have, say, 10 or 15 videos, and these are different things entirely, probably in the same niche, but like different sections. So you want to separate those videos. So once I come into your channel and I see something on this series, like a series you get, I can decide to watch everything at once, or I can decide to watch something else. I don't know if you get the point. I'm sure you get the point. So that's what we want to do when it comes to setting up. We want to make sure that our channel is as pretty, as beautiful, as attractive as we possibly can. Once people come to your channel, you want them to be impressed. The first impression you want them to get should be a beautiful one. Let's have that going. Now, the next thing is to create some awareness. So if you're going to start your YouTube channel, try to make sure that a few people already know that you're starting a YouTube channel. Tell your friends, tell your colleagues, tell your family members, hey, I'm starting up a YouTube channel. Look out for it when it comes. I'm going to let you know about it. So that these people have some form of awareness. It builds a certain level of anticipation such that when you do start up the channel, when you do launch the channel and you let them know, hey, I've started this channel, this is the link, and all, they can remember you told me about this. Yeah, let me check it out and see what it's about. There's some level of anticipation that creating awareness beforehand does. So do well to do that. The next thing is to make sure that you get your family and friends involved in this business. Because the truth is, your first subscribers are mostly going to be people that you know already. They're going to be your friends, your colleagues, your family members. So do well to make sure that you get them to subscribe. I mean, if you can't get your family members, if you can't get those that love you to subscribe on your channel. Come on, how are you going to be able to get other people that don't even know you, strangers? So get your family members, get your friends, get your colleagues to subscribe to your channel already. Like if you already know, say give or take, the people that you have direct contact with, if you have, say, 50 people, I'm sure we have more than 50 people direct contact with, but let me say, for example, that you have, say, 50 people that you have direct contact with, your friends, your colleagues, your schoolmates, your family members, and all of them, they all sum up to 50 people. Now you can get these 50 people to share your channel, to share your videos to their own friends. So let's assume that all these 50 people do actually share your channel, which they should. They are your friends. They should at least show you some level of support. I think that's what is expected of friends and family. But don't expect that from everybody. But let's assume that out of the 50 people that you know, these people also share, and those 50 people are able to get one person to subscribe. So let's say out of 50 people, only 30 people get one person to subscribe, something like that. Or let's even say half of them get someone to subscribe. That's extra 25 people. So you already have 75 subscribers. Now I'm using this as a barest minimum. Some people have like thousands of friends already. So it's already easy to begin to harass people. Of course, you don't have personal relationship with these people one-on-one, but I'm sure that at least in your circle where you have one-on-one people you have one-on-one relationship with, you should have a reasonable amount of these people. And even if you don't, share to them anyway and get those people to get their own friends to subscribe. That's like your best bet to get your first few subscribers. The next thing is to share your videos on all your social media platforms. So every social media platform you find yourself in, you should be sharing your videos there. You should share your videos on Facebook, Instagram. On Instagram, yes, you can't share your videos directly, but you can put up posts about your video. You can put up stories about your video, depending on how you want to manage your Instagram. And then you can have your links on your Instagram handle. You can have your links on it such that people can click the link in your bio and go to your channel. The most important thing is to make sure that you are spreading the word as much as possible. Share these videos on Facebook, share these videos on Instagram, on Twitter, share these videos everywhere. Share the video on your WhatsApp status. Like, WhatsApp should not be underrated. I get most of my external traffic from WhatsApp. Like, more than 50% of my external traffic is from WhatsApp. So share your videos with your friends on WhatsApp, share on WhatsApp groups that you are in, share on your status, share to your friends to also share on their status. You might not get so many views from this, but by the time you combine everything together, you find out that it's already summed up to a lot. Tiny drops of water, you know, making an ocean. So take advantage of every platform that you are on to share your videos. Another thing you should be doing is to interact with other YouTubers on their comment section. So make sure that you are commenting on people's videos, especially people within your niche, but even people that are not within your niche. Comment on people's videos as much as you possibly can. Interact with people in the comment section. It's another great way to get people to check out your own channel and eventually subscribe. You can get to meet a lot of fantastic people in the comment section. So take advantage of comment section, comment on people's videos. Don't go about spamming people's comment section, but comment accordingly. Comment, respond to the video, like it if you like it, say something about the video, you know, and just create a certain level of relationship that you can build with people in the comment section. And speaking about comment section, I wanted to give a shout out to Gordon Patrick. So Gordon Patrick has been really commenting on all of my videos very recently, and I really do appreciate him. He has a YouTube channel, so guys, do well to check it out. I'll put the link of that channel in my description so you can also get access to it there. Thank you so much, Gordon. I hope I'll be able to do shout out to more people. Yeah, I think it's a great idea. Yes, I should be doing that much more often. Growing on YouTube is a process that will take your time and patience. So I encourage you to take your time, be patient, create videos, and keep posting those videos. Slow and steady, we're going to get there eventually. Let me know in the comment section where you are currently in your YouTube journey. I'd like to see that. I'd like to read that. I'd also like to interact with you as well in the comment section. Do have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.